Hey guys, today I want to show you how to seal grout on the floor. I'm going to be using this grout sealer you can see here. It's a miracle product and you can use this on the walls or you can use it on your floor. This shower floor was just replaced because it was not installed properly by the builder. So they came and ripped out the old and put in a new. Before I use it, I want to seal the grout. And the reason I want to seal it because I don't want any water penetrating through the grout to under the tile, then deteriorating the thin set underneath. Over time, if you seal the grout, it'll last a lot longer, many more years. The walls here have not been sealed, and that's something I have to look at. So let's get started. I have this product called Miracle Sealants Company, and it's a grout sealer, and it's made for any grout. Just check to see that this doesn't have it has a, see the bottle comes with a cover on it so it doesn't spill out or chemical doesn't get loose. So I just pushed it in there and we're going to start to seal it. So let's see how we do here. And you just go up and down the grout, and the grout basically, it's okay if it's over, because really we're just trying to seal the grout. Always work in small areas. Do small areas. It's a lot easier. Make sure you get the corners. Very important. And this bottle I got is how many ounces? Let's see, 6 ounces. So this should be plenty to complete this little floor. This floor is about 3 foot, I would say 1, 2, 3, 4 foot approximately. And be generous. And then you're just going to let it sit here the rest of the day. Way over there to the other side. This shower has this is not what they call a mud job, but it's something like it. And it's a prefab concrete pan. So definitely no leaks ever, which is the good thing. So far I've used almost, I would say 2/3 already. So going a little quick here in this area. So I'm going to try and stretch it a little bit. I don't have to get another bottle. But this should be plenty
with the overage I have here. Probably squeeze a little too much. It's okay. When it comes to this stuff, be generous. If you have to take a paper towel and move around, then that's what you should do. And make sure that it's well sealed. I'm gonna sneak in here, I might block it a little bit. So this was grouted, and you don't want to do this too soon. You always want to make sure your grout and your thin set both are dry. So you want to give it, probably before you seal, you probably want to give it about 48 hours. And that's what we're looking at here. We're looking at a couple of days since this was completed. So tomorrow we'll start using the shower again. Be nice to be able to use the shower again. Oh, there goes Zoa. Got a few things to say. See? Say hi, Zoa. 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 He's just hanging out. It's a Pomeranian. All right, stitch is finished. Want to make sure all the corners are done. Everything is sealed. Too much will not harm the application, so just so you know. Alright, I'm gonna get a little paper towel. That's empty. Alright, so I have some excess material here. I'm just gonna move it around. And just to make sure that I've sealed everything, I'm just taking a paper towel and I'm moving the product around. And then when I'm done, we're just gonna let it sit until tomorrow. You don't have to wipe it off. You can just start using your shower and you're finished. And this is, the smell is not that bad. It almost smells like a wax. Okay. And that's it. It'll do no harm to your drain or anything. So, and that's basically how you do it. And now we'll just let it sit overnight. Tomorrow, you use the shower. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell, and leave me a comment, and we'll respond. Thanks for watching.